The wind has Lake Pontchartrain sashaying a bit more, but as we near the peak of hurricane season, flood insurance is becoming unaffordable for more and more Louisiana homeowners.
The increase has tripled. With flood insurance versus your homeowner insurance, my husband and I, we got caught into a predicament. Which one are you going to keep?
She didn't want her identity known, but didn't hide her frustration over insurance costs, a reality that forced she and her husband to drop their flood coverage.
We had to make a choice. We're going to let the flood insurance go.
According to FEMA's online data, in 2021, 495,923 properties in Louisiana had flood insurance through the National Flood Insurance Program. But after FEMA's new Risk Rating 2.0 methodology for determining rates was implemented in October of 2021, many people are seeing big rate hikes.
It has gone up, and so has our property insurance, probably more significantly. And they're both essential, and so you don't have a choice.
In 2021, Jefferson Parish had 104,000 flood policies. Orleans Parish, over 81,000. St. Tammany, 50,000 plus. St. Bernard, over 10,000. St. John, 6,900. St. Charles, over 11,000. Lafourche, over 12,000. Terrebonne, over 15,000. But now some homeowners are saying no to coverage. FEMA's policies in force for the rolling 12 months shows in July of 2022, Louisiana had 491,123 policies in force, but the count steadily declined. In July of this year, the number of policies in force was 464,183. Another chart shows the number of flood policies in the state fell by almost 27,000, or by 5.5%.
People are leaving the flood insurance program. And when this first came out, FEMA said, oh, don't worry. You know, a lot of people are going to see rate decreases. I haven't met anyone.
Louisiana's 2 U.S. senators are fighting to reform the National Flood Insurance Program. They've also filed legislation to cap annual flood insurance premiums at 9% instead of the 18% now allowed under Risk Rating 2.0.
It is an unmitigated disaster. We used to have flood maps, we still do, but FEMA doesn't follow them anymore.
In the meantime, we're pushing the flood insurance program itself to do some things which they can do by rule, as well as to be more transparent.
There are some weird things in this Flood 2.0 that are just not right. In an A zone, you can get a better price than if you're in a preferred risk zone.
Stephen LaVecchio is a branch owner with TWFG Insurance.
Most of the people are still holding on to their flood insurance.
Hurricane Katrina drowned New Orleans, and Hurricane Ida swamped LaPlace.
They missed the payment, or there was no insurance on the house before they bought it. Then they're taking a look, and they're looking a lot harder at buying that flood insurance policy.
Now, if you have flood insurance and intend on keeping it, it's important to renew the policy on time, because not doing so could cause your premium to soar.
So because it was late, the premium went to $22.14 from $788.